First time I got braces, burgundy. It was a man. A mirror to look inside of my mouth. Good morning, YouTube fam. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, my name is Maisha. You can call me Mimi. Welcome. Please subscribe before you leave. As you can see from the title of this video, today I'm taking you on a journey of getting my braces for the second, not the first, but the second time. This is gonna be my second round of braces. I'll give you a little bit of a backstory a little bit later. I have an appointment right now. Today I'm actually getting my x-rays and my impressions done, so I'll check in with you right after. Thank you. Morning. Okay, we are inside. I need to gargle. Well, first of all, I need to wash my hand, then gargle. First, we take some photos, and then we do an x-ray, and then I think impressions. Nice eyes and my lips to put in the retractors.
The same for the other side.
Okay. Is it high? Oh, now it's done. Oh, okay. Ah! Wow, it was a mess. So how this work now?
Alright, so I have a scanning table.
Yeah.
I have some little fine we have those receptors inside here.
Okay.
So we go ahead, we go inside the mouth.
Yeah.
It's like a little mini x-ray, but it doesn't give off we call it air.
Radiation? Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay, cool.
Yes, I did say I wished our 400 meter would have done the same, but I know it's a very tight.
We're all done, so now we wait about 2 or 3 weeks for Dr. Beck to, by the way, that was Tingrinas. If I didn't mention that before, and if you didn't realize, that was Tingrinas, my orthodontists from way back when, Dr. Beck and Dr. Knight. Dr. Beck is gonna go through my scans and prepare my braces, and then I'll go in and have them affixed to my teeth. So let me give you a little bit of a backstory. Now that I'm done with that, I need to put some lip gloss on. I've changed locations, but the first time I got braces was 12 or maybe even 13 or more years ago. My teeth were a mess. I think I showed you guys that clip earlier. I had double row teeth. That thing was a confidence killer. I had double rows and I had what you would call buck teeth. And I have a thing where I suck my tongue. I've sucked my tongue all my life. This thing is literally, this has no point. I'm gonna try and use it just the same. All my life, from I was a child, it's an involuntary movement which I really have no control over. It's just something that happens, and so as a result, it pushes my teeth out. So for that reason, when I was done with braces the first time, when I got my retainers had something that they call a crib, which is like claws on the back of the retainers that help to push the tongue back. They're kind of prickly and kind of sharp, but not too sharp. But it's supposed to help to push my tongue back so that I don't suck my tongue and cause my teeth to protrude any further. So yeah, so as a result of that, I had really bad buck teeth, which I was teased about a lot growing up, and double row teeth. So, you know, hence young, insecure, and lacking self-love. Well, one of the reasons, not the only reason, but one of the reasons. So that was a huge confidence killer for me, a huge source of my insecurity growing up as a child. Sorry guys, I'm trying I don't have a, what you call it, what do you call it, tripod right now in the car, so I'm just using my hands to do everything. Yeah, so a huge source of insecurity for me, growing up and in high school and in college and just as a teenager, as a young adult. And thankfully my aunt helped to get my first set of braces, and eventually I took it over in terms of the finances. But then after a while, the young girl was young and broke. She was young and lacking in finances. So after a while, it became a point where, so I was supposed to have the braces in for 2 years. I ended up having in the braces for like 3 or 4 years, because eventually there was a point where I couldn't pay. I couldn't pay anymore. So I just had the braces in, and I wasn't going in for tightening because I didn't have the money. I had money issues at that time. So I had the braces in for way longer than I needed to, way longer than I was supposed to. And by the time I was able to somehow get the funds together to pay, to, you know, go back in and start tightening again, after a certain time, I was just like, yo, me need to get them out. Take them out. I'm sick of this. I couldn't afford it anymore. Plain and simple, I couldn't afford it anymore because things were rough. My 20s were rough. And I had no help for the most part. I had some help when it comes to certain things, but for the most part, I was just on my own. So I'm very, very grateful for the help that I got to start the process, because, as I told you, that was a huge source of my insecurity. And you know, it's your physical appearance, it's your smile, so it goes everywhere with you. So I was extremely grateful for my aunt for starting the process, so I could, you know, start getting my teeth straightened and stuff. And my teeth did get straightened. I did get rid of the double row, so you know, I was happy with the result, except that I knew that at the time when I chose to take them out, they weren't perfect. They weren't. I wasn't happy. I was happy with the fact that they had improved. My look had improved, obviously. I have a decent smile now, but I wasn't 100% happy because I knew they weren't perfect. I knew they weren't exactly how I wanted them to be when I decided to take them out. But I decided to take them out because financially I was struggling at the time. So I said, you know, I've done way more than 48 months. And the longer I prolong this, is the more money I'm gonna have to take out of my pocket, and I didn't have it at the time. So I made a decision to take them out, and I took them out, knowing very well that one day I would eventually put them back in, because my glasses need to clean, and I left my glasses cleaner at home. My word, I'm gonna have to find something to clean it. I hope the clear is not too much. Let me take them off for now. Yeah. So knowing very well that one day, all these years, I've always thought to myself, I want to put my braces back in. I want to get back braces. I want to get braces. For years, I've been saying, and particularly in the past 5 years, I've been saying that, you know, I'm ready to start working towards this now. I'm ready to commit to this again. And so finally, this year, there are lots of things that I've been saving for and kind of took priority over braces. But no, it's just, I feel like I'm ready now to prioritize braces again. I've had a lot of dental stuff done. Oh my God, the amount of money dentists make off of me, the amount of money dentists and orthodontists and endodontists make off of me. I say every time I went into the wrong field. Young people, if you're looking for a field to go into that is guaranteed to secure your future, go into dentistry, go into dental hygiene, go into orthodontics, go in a dentistry, right? If me didn't know this, no man, they make a lot of money off of me. They have made so much. I've spent so much money over the years just on dental work, orthodontics. Just it hurts my spirit, but I'm grateful that my teeth are healthy. With all the money that I've spent, with everything that I've been through, I'm grateful that my teeth are healthy, because I just feel like my teeth are prone to sorry, I just saw somebody I know. I didn't, excuse me. My teeth have just been prone to, you know, Murphy's Law. unfortunately. Mind you, I will be the first to admit that I was not always very diligent and consistent with my dental hygiene, but I have gotten so much better over the years, and I'm proud of myself, and I'm maintaining that consistency even now. So you know, some of it perhaps in the past, you know, growing up as a teenager, as a young, well, for me as a teenager, I'm not going to say it like it's a general and a normal thing. I'm not trying to normalize it, but I just was not as diligent with my dental hygiene, and just because it's not something that was prioritized in my home when I was growing up. And when I say not prioritized, not like we weren't told to brush our teeth and keep our teeth clean. It's just that it was not enforced or instilled. You know, the hammer wasn't over my head to ensure that my teeth were clean and that kind of thing. So I didn't grow up with that sort of urgency and that diligence with maintaining good dental hygiene. And how much have I learned? How have I learned that the importance of good dental hygiene? So as a big woman, you know, I definitely have gotten a lot better at that. So yeah, here we are. Second time around, getting braces again, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the last time. Yeah. After this, I'm done spend money on braces. But yeah, it's one thing that I will definitely not skimp on when it comes to spending money. It's taking care of my teeth, taking care of my health, and all those things. And I just give praise and thanks to God that He has allowed me to be in a position where I can afford to do these things for myself. Yeah. And if you're looking to do it for yourself as well, I pray that God will also bless you in due time for you to be able to do it when the time is right. So yeah, see you when it's time to put the braces on. Good morning, it's braces day and I'm running late. We're going with burgundy. I can eat yam, like yellow yam. Okay.
I gave you some extra wax as well.
Thank you.
If I need more wax, I can get it.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. So when you just come in and you want
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you.
No problem.
Hi there. I'm trying to find the best angle, the best lighting. But hey, and we're back. Round 2. And I'm now noticing how funny my mouth is moving as I speak. I completely forgot how it felt. You literally have metal inside of your mouth. You're literally feeling the edges of the metal inside of your mouth. It's not sticking, but I definitely feel it. So I might put some wax on it when I get home. I got my package with my wax and toothbrush and floss pick and all sorts of things. So I'm all suited and ready to go. I went with burgundy. By the way, guys, we need to go to the ATM because not my bank card trying to embarrass me. First of all, never that. Not with me being so blessed and highly favored. Right? My bank card could never. But it's not going through. Something to do with the compatibility of their machine and my card. There's nothing wrong with my account. There's nothing wrong on the bank side. I spoke to the bank earlier. That's why you guys saw me on the phone. But it's just not going through. It keeps declining and stuff. So I'm gonna go to the ATM, get the cash, come back and pay them. But yeah, we're back. Brace face Mimi is back. Okay, so I got the cash. I'm gonna go back to pay them now. But I figured I'd just show you guys what I got in my package. And that's toothbrush, toothpaste, toothpaste case, a mirror to look inside of my mouth, and there's some wax in here, as well as this envelope I believe is a floss threader, as well as she gave me some additional wax. She gave me like 2 more packets of wax here. And just in case you're not familiar, like I said before, it's metal, right? So which is why sometimes when you see people with braces talk in there, they tend to do something like that. It's because you're feeling the metal touching the insides of your mouth, and sometimes it can be a little bit sharp, so if you're not careful it might cut up the inside of your mouth, and that can be painful. So the wax is to put over the brackets so that it smooths the surface, so that you don't feel that sharp edge on the inside of your mouth. So she gave me some additional wax, and she gave me some additional floss threaders. Nice girl. Oh, Sidine, big up Sidine. Big up Sidine. I think I got her name correctly. Yeah, she was very nice and gentle and patient. And of course, Dr. Knight and Dr. Beck. It's, yeah, I'm satisfied. So let me go pay the people them their money and go about my business. Morning folks, today is our 1 month appointment. Not exactly a month. I got the braces on the 15th of the previous month. Today is the 10th of the current month, so not exactly a month, but this is my first tightening session after getting the braces in, and I'm rushing out of the car, so let's go. I'm getting the specs today, top and bottom, 4 times. Hopefully they're not too sharp. Ay. I don't know what this is gonna look like for tonight when I'm sleeping, because I've never had this put on before while I have the braces on. When I got my retainers, they had put on. I think I told you guys before that I'm realizing now that this thing is gonna impede my speech. I sound like I have a lisp. When I got my retainers before, they had put a crib. I told you guys about that, to help to push back my tongue. But I've never gotten this thing on while I have the braces on. So this is new to me. It's here, and it's also on the top row. So it's supposed to remind my tongue to stay back and stop pushing my teeth out. But Dr. Beck was saying what we don't know is how my tongue is going to react while I'm sleeping, because obviously I can control it now, but when I'm sleeping your tongue is relaxed, so it's going to do what it do. We'll see. Hopefully I don't wake up with blood. I don't expect that to be the case, because it doesn't feel that sharp, but then it's still kind of prickly, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, that's it for my braces journey vlog. Obviously I'm gonna be on this journey for a while, but this is the end of this vlog, and I hope you liked the video. Thanks for coming along with me, and if you have any questions about braces, things like pain level, or any questions at all, you can let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video and if you thought it was informative, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Okay, until the next one, take care.